Hi everybody. In 10th class physics 5th chapter, in this session we are going to learn about the hypermetropia. The chapter name is Human Eye and Colorful World. Topic is hypermetropia. There are three common defects of vision. We know them: myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. In this session we are going to discuss about hypermetropia. Some people cannot see nearby objects clearly, but can see the objects at long distance very clearly. Means they are able to see the long distant objects clearly, but not able to see the nearby objects clear. This defect of vision, in which they are not able to see the nearby objects clearly, is called the hypermetropia or farsightedness. For these people, the minimum focal length of eye is greater than 2.27 centimeters. We know that the minimum focal length of our eye lens is 2.27 centimeter for a healthy person, but for these persons who are suffering from hypermetropia, it is greater than 2.27 centimeters. In this case, the rays coming from nearby objects are, after refraction at eye lens, form image beyond the retina. Means the image of the closer objects form behind the retina. This kind of people cannot clearly see the objects closer than a point. That point is called the near point. Means if the object is closer than that near point, they could not see that clearly. They can see the objects clearly when object is beyond the near point, that is noted by H, but cannot see if the object is between H and L. L is the point of least distance of distinct vision. If we form the image of closer object which is in between H and L beyond near point, then this image acts as object for eye lens and can see it clearly. Means we have to form the image of the object which is in between the near point and the point of least distance of distinct vision beyond H, then we can see it clearly. This is possible only with a double convex lens. To correct hypermetropia, we have to find out the proper biconvex lens. To select it, we have to know the formula to find it. The image of the object at least distance of distinct vision L be formed at near point H, so that the image of it forms on retina and we could see it. Object is at minus 25 centimeters, that is least distance of distinct vision, and image distance means we have to form the image of that object at near point. The distance to near point is d, so image distance v is equal to minus d. Lens formula we know it, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. By substituting v is equal to minus d, u is equal to minus 25 centimeters, we get 1 by f is equal to d minus 25 by 25d, means f is equal to 25d by d minus 25. Least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeters and the near point is far from it, so d is greater than 25 centimeters, so f becomes positive, which means that we need to use a biconvex lens to correct hypermetropia. Here we can see it. The image, if it is at H, in the second figure we can see the image, if the object is at H, that is near point, the image forms on the retina. In the first figure, the object is in between H and L, then the image forms beyond retina and it is not visible. If the object is far than the H, means in the figure 3, the image forms on the retina. So if the object is at H or farther than H, the person can see the object, but if the object is between H and L, the image forms beyond retina, it is blurred. Correction of hypermetropia. A proper biconvex lens, if placed before our eye, then the image of the object which is at a least distance of distinct vision form at H, which is near point. Then the image of that image forms on retina and it is clear to see. This way we can correct the hypermetropia by using the biconvex lens. Biconvex lens is used to see the near objects, so it is placed in the spectacles at the bottom. And myopia, we have already discussed, the persons suffer to see the farther objects. So to see the farther objects, we focus horizontally, that's why we see horizontally. That's why the concave lens is placed at the top of the spectacles. Okay, thank you very much.